On the next Quilt Show, Claudia Pfeil is here all the way from Germany. See her stunning, one-of-a-kind artistry.
Plus, Claudia has super tips for working with silk.
And don't miss her top-shelf stitching designs. Claudia says they look complicated, but they are as easy as ABC.
I'm playing with a U and going backwards.
Oh my gosh.
And I have a sashing, a beautiful sashing. The goal is that we are working fluently without any hesitation.
Then, look what the wind brought in. Cosplay expert Gayle Schliemann says just a spoonful of sugar plus a few sewing techniques will help you make the perfect quilt costume next time you need it.
Join us for a fast, fun, and fabulous show with two larger-than-life personalities.